Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Strategically located in Mandeville, in a very desirable community, is this absolutely beautiful, well-designed and well-maintained home. Property has 2 levels and has a total of 6 beds and 5 baths and sits on approximately quarter acres of land. Yard has paved walked area and shared space with lush green lawns and is surrounded by various fruit trees such as mangoes, cherries, sweet saps, etc. There are several gates to gain entrance to the property. All the amenities you can think of are just a stone throw away from banks, schools, restaurants, medical facilities, and golf course. Come see for yourself and you will be impressed to own this beauty. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Price for this house is Jamaica 45 million or US $292,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.